Imagine a battery so powerful it doesn't just run your car, it bankrupts the entire oil industry. Today, we're talking about the Tesla 4680 cell. This isn't a mere upgrade. It is a structural revolution. From the outside, it looks like a simple metal cylinder. Inside? It's the secret weapon making EVs cheaper than gas cars, extending range by hundreds of miles, and rewriting the rules of manufacturing. Elon Musk called it the future of Tesla. But as we head through 2026, the question is, has it actually delivered? Or is Tesla losing the crown to giants like BYD and CATL? Today, we go deep into the chemistry, the production wars, and the brutal global market shift. Subscribe now, because the EV world moves fast, and you don't want to be left in the exhaust. Tesla is no longer a startup. It is the backbone of the global energy transition. In 2024 and 2025, Tesla hit a staggering 1.8 million to 2.1 million deliveries annually, with the Model Y officially becoming the best-selling vehicle on Earth, not just the best-selling EV, but the best-selling car, period. But the 2026 landscape is different. We aren't just looking at the US and China. Tesla is fighting for dominance in the United States, where the 4,680-powered Cybertruck has taken over the streets. China, Giga Shanghai remains the world's most efficient factory, despite a brutal price war with BYD. Europe, Norway has hit nearly 95% EV adoption, with Tesla leading the pack. New frontiers, Tesla has finally cracked the Indian market and Southeast Asia, but the competition is fiercer than ever. So, why 4680? It's simple, 46 mm wide, 80 mm tall. But the size change is just the tip of the iceberg. Earlier, Tesla used the 2,170 cells. The new 4680 is nearly double the size. Why does that matter? Fewer parts, instead of thousands of tiny cells, Tesla uses a few hundred large ones. This reduces wiring, complexity, and weight. The tabless design, this is the magic sauce. In old batteries, energy enters and exits through a small tab. This creates a bottleneck, like 1,000 people trying to squeeze through one door. It causes heat and slows down charging. The shingle effect, Tesla's 4680 uses a tabless spiral. Energy flows through the entire edge of the foil. It's like replacing a single door with a massive open hallway. The result, 6x the power and a 16% increase in range just from the form factor alone. Technology is useless if you can't build it at scale. This is where Tesla's dry battery electrode, DBE, technology comes in. Traditional battery making involves huge, expensive ovens to dry wet chemicals. Tesla's new process skips the ovens. 10x less energy used in production. 70% reduction in factory footprint. Massive cost savings. Tesla is aiming to cut battery costs by over 50% per kilowatt-hour, $/kilowatt-hour. In 2026, the machine that builds the machine is finally hitting its stride. With high-speed automation and gigapress casting, Tesla isn't just making cars, they are printing them. Is Tesla still the king? It's complicated. BYD, the value king, their blade battery, LFP chemistry, is incredibly safe and cheap. In 2026, BYD is winning the budget race, dominating the $20,000 to $30,000 price bracket. Tesla, the tech leader, the 4680 is built for performance and integration. While BYD sells more units, Tesla's 4680 allows for the structural battery pack, where the batteries are the floor of the car, making it lighter and faster. Toyota, the hybrid holdout Toyota, is betting on solid-state batteries for 2027, but for now, they are leaning on hybrids. It's a safe play, but Tesla's 4680 is making full EVs so cheap that the hybrid advantage is evaporating. Elon Musk's master plan isn't just about selling you a car. It's about the robotaxi. With the 4680 battery, Tesla has the durability needed for cars to drive 1 million miles. Imagine an autonomous Tesla that works while you sleep, earning you money as a taxi. This only works if the battery can handle constant fast charging in high cycles, exactly what the 4680 was designed for. And then there's the Model 2, the next-gen platform. By using the 4680 in simplified manufacturing, Tesla is targeting a $25,000 price point. If they hit this, it's game over for the internal combustion engine. The 4680 battery isn't just a part in a car, it's the heart of a global shift. It represents the moment electric power became more efficient, more profitable, and more accessible than oil. There are still challenges. Scaling the dry coating process is tough, and raw material costs fluctuate, but the momentum is unstoppable. What do you think? Would you trust a robotaxi powered by 4680 cells? Or are you sticking with a BYD or a Toyota hybrid? Drop a comment below, I read every single one. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the most updated tech breakdowns on the planet. I'm Auto Intel, and I'll see you in the future.